My name's Ivan Neary. I'm from the Wortley Walled Garden volunteers group. We work in the walled garden of Wortley Hall, growing organic fruit and vegetables. It's a great space for people from Barnsley to come, spend time here, volunteer, work here. We're also looking to provide food to local Barnsley food groups, food banks, cooperatives. We have about 20 volunteers who come on a regular basis to produce the fruit and vegetables, which we then provide to the hall, to local shops, to the volunteers and to local food banks. We've only just taken over this garden recently, and what we're trying to do is to develop local links with Barnsley and Barnsley Council to get more volunteers into this lovely space, to get groups with special needs who might benefit from doing some work here, and also to link with other voluntary groups within the area. This is a great place to come. Just look on our website, we've got details there of opening times and what volunteering can do for you and what we can do for you in terms of meeting people, learning gardening skills, learning organic principles. It's a great place to come and work.